Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a 20-stage shower head filter for hard water. This comes with 3 replaceable cartridges. This is for a high output shower filter for removing chlorine and all the sediments that you have in your water. Alright, so right here, this is the shower filter cartridge. They come in 3 different colors. You've got chrome, black, and brushed nickel. So first off, you have the installation instructions. This tells you how to install it, how to replace the filter. This is a 20-stage filtration, alkaline ceramic balls, activated carbon, calcium sulfate, and other filter materials to ensure best effort of water quality purification. So first off, you have the water filter itself, and in this little box you do get the plumber's tape, so it is already included. There is no need to purchase a side of plumber's tape, so that's a great thing that they have added that in. Inside this box they give you an extra 2 replacement cartridges, so the total you get is 3 filter cartridges, which can hold up to 12,000 gallons of water, which provides clean and odorless water and can be used by a family of 4 for 6 to 8 months. So you get these extra ones included, so you have a total of 3. So that's a great investment right here. So these are essentials for body care. High output shower filter removes unpleasant odor and impurities. It relieves fatigue, quickly slows down aging, and makes your skin smooth. The shower filter water softener acts as a moisturizer, purifier, softens, and provides the best feeling for your sensitive skin. So in this little package right here, you actually have the filter itself, and you have 2 little rubber stoppers. You'll want to apply those to each port on each side. So in this one, and now when you put a shower head in there, you want to make sure you put it between this and the shower head so it doesn't leak, as well as the plumber tape on top of your plumbing. So when you open this up, it'll expose the filter that's already in there. Like I said, this does come with 3 filters. So that's what the top side looks like. When you take out the filter, the bottom looks just like the top, other than it has like little grooves at the bottom to set it in there for it to not move. So this is where the water will filter out. This is an easy installation without any tools. Installation only takes a few minutes. No tools required, except for you will need tools to remove your current one. So you put this back on, you just twist it. So right now we're going to go and install this onto our shower so we can have some clean, fresh water. So right here is our old setup. This is not filtered at all. It's got a lot of residue, as you can see. So we're just going to take this, we're going to put it up in there, and then we're going to put the shower head at the bottom of this filter. So now that we got it installed, we've put the filter on there and we put our shower head back on. We actually used a different shower head this time. So this is supposed to give nice clean water. These last up to 12,000 gallons of water, depending on your hardness of your water. The great thing about it, it does have 3 replacement cartridges, so you can go for an extended period of time to use these. It's great. The fact is you have 20 stages, so if you're looking for something to filter out your water, if you have hard water, I would definitely say check this one out. This is definitely a great little filter to have.